Hello patrons, today I want to encourage you to look again. If you've decluttered a room, the next time you're in that zone, I want you to look again. Are the things that you've kept really things that you need, that you want, that you love, or did you save them for the wrong reason? When you're decluttering paper, when you're doing your paper routine and you've decided that something needs to be filed, think again. Look again. Are you sure? Does this really need to be filed, or can you find it online? Each thing that you keep in your home can cause you a little bit of pressure. And you've heard about the straw that breaks the camel's back. All these little straws will add up. And even though you've decluttered your whole home, look again. See what else you can live without. See what else you haven't used. It's just like when you go through your clothing and you say, okay, I'm going to get rid of the things that I don't like, that don't fit me, but I probably haven't been wearing these other things enough because I just didn't know they were there. And as time goes, you'll realize that you don't really wear those things either. So when you declutter your clothes, look again. Are you sure? Look again. And then after time has passed, look once again. Try it again. Go try a declutter. If your home is decluttered, I dare you to declutter it again. I know you'll find plenty. So look again. Look in your shoes. Look in your blouses. Look in your dresses. Look in your slacks. Look at your t-shirts. Look in your underwear and your bras and your slips if you have any of those left. Look in your pajamas. Look in your exercise gear. Look at your bathing suits and your cover-ups and your coats and your sweaters and your robes and your slippers. Look again. Look in your purses, your hats, your belts, your jewelry. Look again. I bet you there's more you can get rid of, that you really want to get rid of, that you've been holding back on for some reason. Do the same thing in your children's toys. Look at your bedding, your towels. Look again. Look again. How about all those tablecloths and rugs that you have saved? What about dishware and glassware? Do you really use all of those? How about your silverware and your utensils? Look again. Look in your pantry. Are there some things you can donate to the food pantry that you're not going to eat that continue to sit on your shelves? Look again. Look again. Look at your books. Oh, your books. Look at your books. Look in your cookbooks and your novels and your inspirational books and historical fiction. Look again. Look again. Are you sure you really need that? Have you looked at it lately? Look again. Look at your furniture. Do you have too many pieces of furniture? Is there something you really don't enjoy, but it's there as a placeholder? Does it need to be a placeholder? How about your artwork? Look again. So today I'm encouraging you to just take another look. Take another look. Do you have more than one pair of curtains for that window that you'll never use? How many shower caps do you own? How many pairs of flip-flops? I'm guilty. I own 6 pair. I'm wearing a pair right now. So look again, think again. You know, I'm not saying you have to, but I sure would like to encourage you to. And the garage and basement and attic are even worse places because those are things that we store. So go in there, declutter, and then look again. Look again. Are you really using those gardening gloves? Do you really need those extra pots? How about that soil in the bag that's been sitting there for 3 years? How about those what do they call them? Job's plant spikes that you haven't used in 3 years that are sitting on the shelf. How do I know this? Because I looked again. I found things that needed to go that I said I was decluttered from but wasn't. So look again. Have a wonderful day, and always remember that you are beautiful. So be beautiful.